Welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase your Telegram download speed with simple and effective tips. If your Telegram files are downloading too slowly or getting stuck, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet is the most common reason behind Telegram's low download speed. Use any speed test website or app like speedtest.net to check your connection. If the speed is low, try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or move closer to your router. Step 2. Update the Telegram app. Using an outdated version of Telegram can cause performance issues. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search Telegram, and hit Update if it's available. New updates often fix bugs and improve download speeds. Step 3. Clear Telegram cache. Too much cache data can slow down the app. To clear it, open Telegram, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, and tap on Storage Usage. Now tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or files. Step 4. Turn off Data Saver or Battery Saver. If you have Data Saver or Battery Saver mode turned on, it may restrict Telegram's background activity. Disable these modes while downloading files to allow Telegram to use full bandwidth. Step 5. Use a VPN if Telegram is throttled. In some regions, ISPs throttle Telegram traffic. If downloads are unusually slow despite a good connection, try using a trusted VPN. This can bypass restrictions and improve speed. Step 6. Download during off-peak hours. Sometimes servers are overloaded, especially during peak hours. Try downloading your files